Is there anyone who doesn't love strawberries? I haven't met him yet. So we have a plot of TriStar strawberries in this tree well here. And TriStar are interesting because they bloom throughout the year and give fruit, although not as much as the June-bearing. They give fruit right through the season. So what we're going to do today here is discover what's underneath our mulch. They've been hiding for the winter. And I'm seeing some survivors and some mortality, but a goodly amount have made it through the winter. And now what we're going to want to do is give them a tonic. Strawberries being a hungry, nitrogen-hungry crop and a lover of sweet soil, we're going to administer this blend of compost mixed with dolomitic limestone. And if you were a strawberry, you'd probably like it too. And being that the crop doesn't have any fruit yet, we can just be pretty blasé about administering the tonic. And this whole bed will probably be retaken over by the strawberries within a month, because they send out runners and reproduce. And there. As simple as that, we've rejuvenated our spring strawberries. And don't forget to bring the mulch back over them to cover up that valuable compost.